Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll explore how to connect spreadsheets with Canva, step by step. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Step 1. First, open Google Sheets and prepare your data. Make sure everything is organized and ready to go. Step 2. Next, head over to Canva and create a new design with a custom size. For example, you can use 1920 by 1080 pixels for a standard layout. Step 3. Once you're in Canva, navigate to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Step 4. From the options available, select Charts. This will allow you to choose the type of chart that best represents your data. Step 5. Choose the type of chart you want to use, whether it's a bar chart, line chart, or any other style that fits your needs. Step 6. After selecting your chart, click the Connect with Google Sheets button to link your data. Step 7. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Grant access to Canva so it can retrieve your data. Step 8. Once authorized, select the spreadsheet you want to connect to from the list that appears. Step 9. Now, specify the range of data you want to use in your chart. This should be in the format A1-B19 based on where your data is located in the spreadsheet. Step 10. Click Update to import the data into Canva. Your chart will now reflect the information from your Google Sheets. And that's it. Thank you for watching.